Hello foodies, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm super excited to share with you my refreshing and delicious no-bake lemon cheesecake. This cheesecake is zesty, creamy and super easy to make. Let's get started. We will begin by preparing our lemon curd, which will be used both in the filling and as a topping. First, we'll need some fresh lemon zest and lemon juice. Cut the lemons in half. Now let's squeeze the juice out of the lemons. In a saucepan, combine egg yolks, sugar, lemon juice, lemon zest, and a pinch of salt. Mix it well. Place the saucepan over low heat and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to frequently stir to prevent the mixture from sticking and curdling. You'll know it's ready when it thickens nicely. For a precise consistency check, you can use the thermometer. Cook the mixture until it reaches 77 degrees Celsius. Once thickened, remove the pan from the heat. And now, add cold butter. Whisk until the butter is fully melted. Now, let's strain our lemon curd to get a nice and smooth consistency. Cover it with plastic wrap. Now place it in the fridge until ready to use. Next, let's make our cheesecake crust. Put your biscuits or cookies in the food processor and crush it into fine crumbs. And now let's melt the butter. If you don't have magic fingers like I do, you can melt the butter in the microwave. Add the melted butter, lemon zest, (8-inch springform pan). Transfer the mixture into the bottom of the pan. Place the crust in the fridge while making the cheesecake filling. Now, let's move to the cheesecake filling. First thing, we will bloom our gelatin. In a small bowl, place gelatin powder and mix it with cold water. Set it aside while making the cheesecake filling. In a large bowl, place cream cheese, powdered sugar, lemon zest, and high-quality vanilla bean paste. If you don't have vanilla bean paste, you can use vanilla extract. Beat until smooth and creamy. Now add heavy cream. Make sure it's very cold. Whip until light and fluffy. Now melt the gelatin in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. Once the gelatin is melted, it's time to temper the gelatin. Add a few tablespoons of the cheesecake mixture and mix until smooth. Pour it back to the cheesecake mixture and mix it well. Now let's transfer the cheesecake mixture into the pan. Shake the pan to make a flat surface. Add a few tablespoons of lemon curd. And give it a nice mix. shake it again for the last time, and let's place it in the fridge for at least 4 or 5 hours or overnight. The cheesecake has been in the fridge overnight and now it's perfectly set. Let's release the cheesecake from the pan and spread the remaining lemon curd on top. Do it very gently. Now our cheesecake is ready. At this stage, you can decorate the cake with whipped cream. I personally don't like whipped cream, so I skip this step. And instead, I will decorate my cake with some fresh blueberries. Before I slice the cake, if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more delicious recipes. By the way, if you love lemon dessert, be sure to check my other lemon dessert recipes, such as 3-ingredient lemon ice cream, or my delicious lemon cake, or this beautiful lemon tart, or this amazing lemon posset here. So creamy, so zesty, super delicious.